This video is all about simplifying this Surd expression. Now let's begin. Now we have a problem which is 1 plus the square root of 2 divided by the square root of 5 plus the square root of 3 plus 1 minus the square root of 2 divided by the square root of 5 minus the square root of 3. Now for us to solve this fraction, we multiply this expression. Now, to solve this particular problem, this particular fraction, we multiply the denominators. We multiply this denominator here with this one. We multiply this and this together. So that means you have bracket open, square root of 5 plus the square root of 3, bracket close, bracket open, times the square root of 5 minus the square root of 3. So this will now be the denominator. Now on the numerator, we multiply. To get the numerator, what you're doing, you use this expression here, multiply this one here. So then also we use this one, just a cross multiplication. We use this one here, multiply with this. So let's begin. So what we're going to do first, we use this one, multiply this. So you have 1 plus root 2, bracket open and close, times root 5 minus root 3. Then this plus, you put this plus here. Then now you will now use this to multiply this. So you have 1 minus root 2 times root 5 plus root 3. So that is it. So now this is how to solve this particular fraction. So we now have to expand this expression both at the numerator and the denominator. To expand this, you use this one, multiply the whole of this. So you have root 5 minus root 3. So you will now use this root 2 plus root 2 to multiply the whole of this. So plus root 2 times root 5 will give us plus root 10. Now plus root 5 times minus root 3 will give us minus root 6. There is a plus sign here, you see just a plus. Let me just open and close the bracket. Now here I open a bracket to now say use this one, multiply the whole of this. So 1 times root 5 will give you root 5. 1 times plus root 3 will give you plus root 3. So minus root 2 times root 5 will give you minus root 10. Minus root 2 times plus root 3 will give you minus root 6. So divide by. So when you look at the ones, the terms on the denominator, you notice that they are conjugate of each other. So for conjugates, if you have an expression, let's say like this, square root of a plus square root of b times square root of a minus square root of b. If you want to open up this bracket, you just say square root of a squared minus square root of b squared. So this will give you what? A minus b. So it's just simple. So that is what we're going to get here. So now in this case, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to what? 3. So We expand this expression, we have 5 minus 3. That is it. So now what we get is 5 minus 3. So now let me delete this expression up here to create space. So let me delete this to create space for us to round up this problem. So now for the denominator, let's now remove these brackets. So we'll now say the square root of 5 minus the square root of 3 plus the square root of 10 minus the square root of 6. Then this will be, since here is plus, it's just the same expression here that we're going to write down here. So we just say plus the square root of 5 plus the square root of 3 minus the square root of 10 minus the square root of 6 divided by 5 minus 3 is 2. So this will now be equal to, you have square root of 5, the one that is common to it is here, square root of 5. So the similar expression, now here you have square root of 5. The similar term here is square root of 5. So square root of 5 plus square root of 5 will give you 2 root 5. So now let's look at the similar term here. You have minus root 3 plus root 3. So since they are the same and of different sign, you cancel them out. Now let's look at this. You have plus root 10 minus root 10. So since they are the same and of different sign, we cancel it out. Now the similar term for that is this. So now you have minus root 6 minus root 6. So it gives you minus 2 root 6 divided by these 2 here. So if you factor, now the 2 is common in the denominator. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove these 2 and bring it outside. So the 2 will now be here. Now what will be inside will now be root 5 minus root 6 all over 2. So this one will cancel itself and also cancels the 1. So the final answer is root 5 minus root 6. So that is our final answer.